What is up, my YouTube peeps? There are some tricks to help you get more views to your live streams that I've picked up over the last couple of years. These are really easy things that anyone can do, but most people don't. And let's face it, on YouTube, it's the little detail things that you do that others don't that over a period of time make a massive difference. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. A lot of channels live stream these days as part of their YouTube strategy, but very few of these channels actually treat these videos like real videos. They treat them just like throwaway content, and this is a huge mistake. Huge. There are a few simple steps that you can take to make your live streams really stand out and get more views. And the best part is these are live streams, so you can notice the difference really quickly. Let's do 5 easy steps. People love steps. Some people even buy machines so they can do steps in their house anytime they want, right? Step 1, let's figure out how to get YouTube's attention. Live streaming videos work a lot more like a regular video than most people realize while they're live. And sure, once they're not live anymore, they don't tend to live much past that, and that's because of the video length. Most people just don't like to click on a video that's more than an hour long. But while you're actually live, YouTube treats these videos just like they're any other new video. And that means we should treat them like regular videos too. And my first step when trying to get regular videos noticed is to determine the topic. I want to try to select a subject within my niche that's hopping, that's popular, that people are interested in, that folks are talking about. And the way that I'll generally do this is I'll go out to my competition and I'll sort their videos by most popular. And I'm looking for videos in their top 10 or 15 that have been released within the last couple of weeks. These are going to be the hottest topics in my niche, and they're the best ones for me to talk about on my live stream. Now, if they have super popular videos that touch on topics that you've never done before, it doesn't hurt to talk about those, but if the video's 2 years old or something like that, it may not actually be something that people are interested in right now. The reason why this strategy works is because you're looking at videos that are already moving on other people's channels. So anything within the last couple of weeks is probably your best bet. Now for step 2, what we want to do is write out bullet points that we want to talk about that pertain to that particular subject on our stream. And we want to write these bullet points out as questions, and I'm going to get to why that is in a later step. Step 3, we want to get our keywords or keyword phrases. And we can probably use a lot of the ones that we just wrote down as our bullet point. For getting keywords, I really like to use TubeBuddy. If you've never heard of or used TubeBuddy, I'm going to walk you through it a little bit today, but it's a free tool that you can use to find keywords and all kinds of other cool stuff to help you grow your YouTube channel. There is a link in the description to TubeBuddy. If you just click that link, it will bring you right here. All you have to do to install TubeBuddy is click this Install Free Now button. No matter which browser you're using, there is a plugin that should work for you. Once TubeBuddy's installed, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this Keyword Explorer. You're going to find it when you click on this and then go here. What we want to do is create a text file that we can save our keyword phrases in so that we don't forget them. And because with the free version of TubeBuddy, it only gives us so many searches per day, we want to make sure we mark everything down and we have all the information that we need. So let's say we have an outdoor channel, and in this particular live stream we want to talk about different types of campers and different strategies and different places and ways to buy them and how much you should pay for them. Well, all of our keyword phrases are going to be surrounding how to do that, how to buy a camper, where to buy a camper. And here's how you go through and do that. You just put your keyword search in here, and you want to see what the keyword phrase is. You're looking for stuff that's in the green, something that doesn't have too much competition. You also want to make sure you're using long keyword phrases, because longer keyword phrases are going to be much easier for you to rank with. And that is really going to help when you're trying to get YouTube to suggest your stuff while you're live. So we can type in things like how to buy a camper, where to buy a camper, what type of campers there are. You can see I did this one here, and instead of using the word camper, which didn't rank very well, I changed it to travel trailer. And this is the kind of wordplay that you're going to have to use when you're trying to land keyword phrases that are going to be good for your channel without a lot of competition. It takes a little bit of work, but I can tell you right now, it is really worth the effort. There is a link to TubeBuddy in the description if you want to check it out. And please do check it out under the free trial. You're probably going to get annoyed with some of the nagging that asks you to pay for it. But the truth is that I don't know of any YouTuber who's part-time or full-time or serious about YouTube that doesn't pay for TubeBuddy. And that's because it's so ridiculously helpful. So try it out and see if it can help you. Once you have a list of these keyword phrases that you have in your text file, we're going to move on to step 5. We're going to create our broadcast. And I'm going to walk you through right now how to create a broadcast on YouTube that's scheduled for later. You want to do this because you want to be able to share this broadcast beforehand on your social media platforms. You also want to make sure that you have the title planned out, that you're not using a canned thumbnail. You want to use a custom thumbnail that you create. This is really important. You also want to make sure that you add all of the keyword phrases that you collected in the tags. This is going to help inform YouTube as to who might be interested in your content. Most people never even bother with this on their live streams, and it's so important. So let's walk through quickly how to set up and schedule a live broadcast. First, you're going to go to YouTube Studio. You're going to click this little Go Live icon in the top right-hand corner. If you've done a previous live broadcast in the past, it's going to ask if you want to model that. We do not. We're just going to dismiss that. And that will bring up a new live broadcast. So you put your epic title in here and make sure you change it to public or whatever you want right here. Then you're going to put your epic keyword-rich description right here. So all those keywords that you spent time in TubeBuddy finding, you want to try to use as many of those as you can in this description. Then we scroll down and we're going to click this little schedule button and schedule our broadcast for whenever we want to go live. And we're going to upload our awesome custom thumbnail made just for this live stream. Once you've done all that, you can click Create Stream. Once the stream is up, you see in the top right-hand corner, there's this little arrow button. If you click on that, you can get the links to your stream so you can share it on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or whatever other social platforms you use to promote your videos. The last thing we want to do is make sure our keywords are also in here. So you're going to click this little gear in the upper right-hand corner. And under General, you'll see additional details. If you click on this, it will take you to your beta studio for the broadcast. And you just scroll down and put your tags right in here. These are all the tags that we already took out of TubeBuddy and put in a text file of some sort. You add those long tail tags in here, and we are absolutely set and ready to broadcast. So when you're getting close to time to broadcast, all you have to do is go to your YouTube studio, click on the Go Live button. Then you want to go ahead and click on Manager over on the side, and your scheduled live stream should come up there. If you just click that, it's going to bring you right to the broadcast studio. Now all you have to do is start OBS with the correct stream key, and it will come up in the preview. Once it does, you just click the Go Live button, and you're all set. Once your live broadcast is set up, all you have to do is wait for your time to go live. And it's really important that when you schedule your live broadcast, you go live on time, because there's going to be potential people there waiting for you to entertain them. And once you go live, you want to acknowledge your audience, interact with them, say hi, ask where they're from, and then jump right into your bullet points and begin asking the questions. How many of you are interested in buying a travel trailer or a camper, or whatever the subject is? Ask all of your bullet points in a question and try to get a discussion going in the chat. And this is really important because this is the last step of the process. Get people interacting with you in the chat. The faster your chat moves and the more people are interacting and chatting on your live stream, the more YouTube will share it out, because they want all that activity and that interaction. YouTube's algorithm realizes if you're getting a lot of chat and a lot of interaction that people are excited about what you're talking about. And they're much more likely to bump that video up so it's ranked first or second or third, because it's new content and they want to see who else is interested. And if you created an epic title with an epic thumbnail, which most people don't usually have for their live streams, a lot of people are going to click on it. And when they do, because you've already prepared all of your questions and all the interactions, they're going to be entertained and they're going to love what you do. And that's how you're going to grow your live stream. And you're going to see the results almost immediately if you follow these steps. If you're interested in learning more about how to do proper keyword research to get your videos ranked, you should check this video out right here. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.